Basic logic gates. What is the logic gate? A logic gate is an electronic circuit which takes logic decisions. A logic gate is an electronic circuit. Which takes logic decisions. Logic gate is a electronic circuit which takes logic decisions. It has one or more inputs. But single output. Logic gates are most basic and important building blocks of any digital system. The different two input logic gates are the two input. Here already we know how many inputs are there for logic gate? One or more. But we discuss in the two input logic gates. Two input logic gates. The different two input logic gates are the one OR gate and next AND gate. Third one is NOR gate. 4 NAND gate. Fifth one XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. For these logic gates, we specified the IC numbers. The IC number of OR gate is 7432. AND gate is 7408. For the NOR gate, the IC number is 7402. The IC number of NAND gate is 7400. And IC number of XOR gate is 7486. And one more logic gate is there. It consists of only single input and single output. That is the NOT gate. NOT gate consists of only one input and one output. NOT gate IC number is 7404. NOT gate IC number is 7404. Here all the logic gates are classified into three types. Like logic gates, logic gates are classified into three types. One is basic logic gate. Second one is universal logic gates. Third one is the combinational logic gate. Basic logic gate, universal logic gate, and third one is the combinational logic gate. Here, coming to the basic logic gates are and not. OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate belongs to the basic logic gates. Universal gates are the NAND and NOR. NAND and NOR are known as the universal logic gates. And next combinational logic gate is XOR gate. This is the classification of the logic gates. Basic logic gates means it's defined, its logic, its decision defines as a independent only. They didn't depend any other logic. It defines its own logic. So that's why these electronic circuits are known as the basic logic gates. Universal logic means by using either of these two, any one of these, we construct remaining all the gates. But for example, by using NAND gate, we construct remaining all the logic gates. We call it as a universal logic gate. So that's why NOR also, same by using NOR gate, we construct all the remaining logics. So that's why these two are known as the universal logic gate. Combinational logic gate means the XOR logic gate. The XOR gate is constructed by using the other gates. For example, by using XOR gate, by using OR and NOT gate also. So that's why by using these basic logic gates, we construct XOR gate. So that's why we call it as a combinational logic gate. Now we discuss about the schematic symbols and truth tables of the individual gates. First one, take a NOT gate. NOT gate. What is the IC number of the NOT gate? 7404. What is the IC number of NOT gate? 7404. And next, schematic symbol of the NOT gate. Schematic symbol of the NOT gate. NOT gate consisting of only one input and one output. The input named as A, then output Y becomes A bar. Y is equals to A bar. This is the schematic symbol of the NOT gate. What is the logic of NOT gate? Just reverse of the input. Just complement of the input. Input, output. How many inputs are there? Only one. So that's why only one input. Number of inputs is equals to 1. Then how many possibilities are there? 2 power 1. So that's why 2 ways. Either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. So that's why when you give 0 as input, we get a 1 as the output. And next when you give 1 as input, we get 0 as the output. This is the schematic symbol of NOT gate and truth table of the NOT gate. What is the IC number of the NOT gate? 7404. This is the IC number. Next one is the OR gate. OR gate. What is the IC number of OR gate? 7432. 7432. Next, schematic symbol of the OR gate. OR consists of the two inputs. OR consists of the two inputs named as A, B. Inputs are named as A, B. OR gate, and output Y is equals to, what is the logic? A plus B. OR gate logic denoted as A plus B. In words, what is the logic of OR gate is, if both inputs are low, then only the output will be low. Otherwise the output will be high. Here low is nothing but a 0 volts or ground. High means 5 volts. High means 5 volts. Next, coming to the truth table of the OR gate. Truth table of the OR gate. How many inputs are there for OR gate? It consists of two inputs. Named as A, B. Output is A plus B. Here it consists of two inputs. How many possibilities are there? 4. 2 square 4. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Like this, the possibilities of input of OR gate is 4 ways. That is the 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. What is the logic of OR gate? If both inputs are low, then only the output will be low. That means here both inputs are low, 0 0, then only the output will be 0. Otherwise, output will be high. That means otherwise the output will be 1. This is the logic of the OR gate. Next gate is AND gate. What is the IC number of AND gate? 7408. IC number of AND gate is 7408. And schematic symbol of the AND gate. Schematic symbol of AND gate. It is a D-like structure. AND consists of the two inputs named as A, B. And next, output of AND is Y is equals to A dot B. Output of AND gate is A dot B. Logic of AND gate is A dot B. And next, what is logic? If both inputs are high, then only the output will be high. If both inputs are high, then only the output will be high. Otherwise, the output will be low. That means if both inputs are high, both inputs are 1, then only the output will be high. That is 1. Otherwise, the output will be low. What is the logic of AND gate? A dot B. It consists of two inputs named as A. One input is A and other input named as a B. Output getting as A dot B. And consists of two inputs. So that's why four possibilities are there for giving us input like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So if both inputs are 1, then only the output will be 1. Otherwise, remaining all the inputs, the output will be 0. That means low. This is the schematic symbol, logic and truth table of the AND gate. Next one is the NAND gate. NAND gate. IC number of NAND gate is 7400. 7400. Here NAND schematic symbol. And with bubble. And with bubble, we call it as a schematic symbol of NAND gate. What is the logic of NAND gate? Y is equals to A dot B whole bar. Y is equals to A dot B whole bar. Because of NAND gate is nothing but a AND with NOT gate. AND with NOT gate. And with NOT gate. Complement of the NOT gate. So that's why what is the logic of AND? A dot B. Complement. Complement we consider as a bar. Sometimes you write like this also, A dot B dash. A dot B dash. Nothing but a complement of the AND gate. That is the logic of the NAND gate. Next, what it represents? If both inputs are high, then only output will be low. Otherwise, output will be high. It is just complement of the AND gate, just reverse of the AND gate. So, truth table of the NAND gate becomes both inputs are high, then only the output will be low. Low means 0. High means logical 1. Next, otherwise output becomes, for any inputs, the output becomes high. This is the truth table of the NAND gate. Next, coming to the NOR gate. What is the IC number of NOR gate? 7402. 7402. This is the schematic symbol of the NOR gate. First, we draw OR gate and bubble. Bubble indicates only complement. So that's why OR with NOT gate we represent a NOR gate. OR with NOT gate. That is nothing but a NOR gate. What is the logic of OR gate? A plus B. OR gate is A plus B. But NOR gate, it is the complement of the OR gate. We represent logic of NOR gate as Y is equals to A plus B whole bar. Next, coming to the logic, if both inputs are low, then only output will be high. Low means 0, logical 0. High means logical 1. Otherwise, output will be low. Coming to the truth table, both inputs are low. Then only the output will be high. Otherwise, output will be low. This is the schematic symbol, IC number, logic, truth table of the NOR gate. And last one is the XOR gate. Last one is the XOR gate. What is the IC number of XOR gate? 7486. 7486. Coming to the schematic symbol of XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. First you draw OR and next extra line like this, extra curve like this. So it consists of the two inputs A, B, and it has only one output. Y is equals to A XOR B. This is the symbol represents the XOR gate. What is the logic? Logic is A dot B bar plus B dot A bar. A dot B bar plus B dot A bar is the logic of the XOR gate. And next, what it represents? If both inputs are different, that means one input is high and other input is low. One input is low and one input is high. Like that, both inputs are different, then only the output will be high. Then only the output will be high. That means logical 1. Otherwise output will be low. Output will be low. Next, coming to the truth table of the XOR gate. It consists of two inputs A, B, and logic represented by this symbol A XOR B. Here it has two inputs, so that's why 4 possibilities: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What the logic of XOR gate? Both the inputs are different. Here 0 and 1. 1, 0. If both inputs are given as different way, then only the output will be high. Otherwise, output will be low. Output will be low. This is the schematic symbol of XOR gate. IC number is 7486. Logic is if both inputs are different, then only the output will be high. Otherwise, output will be low. Truth table is different. 0, 1, 1, 0 only we get output as 1. Otherwise, the output getting as a 0.